Hi everyone, Nelly Morena is here with you again. Today I will show you how to create a very fresh look. I'm doing this on my friend Maria. She's my model today. So first of all, I begin with hydrating primer, and now I'm applying just in the middle of the face, in the T-zone, the Poreless Gel to refine the pores. Now I will use Longwear foundation, applying with Beauty Blender. The number shade is 2Y4T. I'm applying it with a wet Beauty Blender and I'm blending very well into the skin. And that's why I can create a very flawless effect. Now I will use a concealer in shade 4R30. It's very good shade to conceal the under eye area. I'm applying this shade just under the eyes to conceal the dark spots. Now I will use concealer 3Y20. This color is a yellowish tone. It's perfect to highlight the middle of the face. And I'm doing this with a Beauty Blender. I blend very well this concealer into the skin with a wet small Beauty Blender. I will powder just the middle of the face with Radiance Mineral Loose Powder. This powder is letting the skin looking very luminous, and it fits perfectly for dry and also for mature skin. I will contour now the face with Velvet Matte Bronzer. It's a very nice shade to warm up the skin and also letting the skin looking more healthy. I'm applying it over the forehead, under the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, in the crease of the eye and also under the chin. The skin is looking a little bit like sun-kissed after applying this bronzer. Now I will prepare the eyes with an eye primer. The texture is very light but waterproof, so it's a perfect preparation for the eyeshadow. I'm applying it on the upper lids and also on the lower lids to be sure that I will have a very waterproof effect. I begin now with a matte eyeshadow palette, SAHARA. I'm using now the second shade of the palette and I'm applying this shade over the eyelids and also in the crease of the eye. This shade is more like a base for me. Now I will intensify the crease of the eye with a little bit more darker shade. I'm using for this the third shade of the palette. I'm applying it directly into the crease of the eye. With the darkest shade from the palette, I can intensify the eye makeup. I'm applying the darkest shade in outer corner of the eye. I will use now cream gel liner in shade Espresso. I'm applying it directly into the lashes line, making some points inside to intensify it very well. On the lower lid and on the waterline, I'm applying a green eye pencil. I'm applying now turquoise eyeshadow over the green eye pencil. This color will make the look very fresh. Now I blend the turquoise color with the brown color what I have applied over the upper lid. I will intensify now the look with a gray dark tone I'm applying the shade in outer corner of the eye. At least don't forget to apply mascara. I'm using now a beautiful violet shade for mascara, and that way I can have a contrasting makeup. I will emphasize now the eyebrows. I'm using for this an eyeshadow. I will use also a gel for the eyebrows. In that way I can let them looking more fuller. To letting the skin looking more luminous, I'm mixing Hydrating Primer and Pearl Pigment Sensation. I'm applying it over the cheekbones. In that way I create a glowing effect, and it's also a good moisturizer. I'm applying blush over the cheekbones and also over the bridge of the nose. In that way I can make her looking more healthy and also more fresh. A little bit of blush I'm applying under the chin and also over the forehead. I want to create now more fuller lips. For this I'm applying a darker lip liner. I will fill up also the outer corner of the lips, and that way I can have more ombre effect on lips. As lip color I chose LL01 Naked. It's velvet matte liquid lipstick, and over the lipstick I'm using a lip conditioner. It's very important to make more soft lips and also more moisturizing lips. It's extremely important also for a mature makeup. Now my friend Maria is ready, so you can see the end result of the makeup. I think she's looking fantastic. I hope you enjoyed, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.